Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about how to give your opinion and how to disagree or agree with things or people. So first, we're going to check how to give an argument, how to say what you think. We have three main things to express what you think. The first one is yo creo que. This is I think, and then you just put whatever you need. Also, yo pienso que is also I think, and then you put whatever it is. The word creo comes from the verb creer, which is to believe. So we say I believe that blah 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 blah. But it's the meaning is more like I think that blah 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 blah. Yeah. Pensar is the verb to think. So yo pienso que means I think that literally. But both mean exactly the same. Yeah. Uh, so one example would be here, like yo creo que el alcohol no es saludable. Like I think alcohol is not healthy. So yeah, yo creo que. Really important. Always put the que. Even though in English the word that is omitted, I think alcohol is not healthy. You don't say I think that alcohol is not healthy. So even though in English it's omitted, in Spanish it's not the case. We always have to put the word que. This has to go together. Yo creo que, and then you put the rest of the sentence. Uh, the same thing happens here. Yo pienso que. So the word que, yeah, has to be in there. Um, let's see this one. Yo pienso que es mejor vivir en el campo. I think it's better to live in the countryside. So as you can see here, the word que is always there. Yeah. Yo pienso que I think es mejor, it's better vivir en el campo, to live in the countryside. Now we have a third expression to show, like to express your opinion, and we already talked about this one here. A mí me parece que. We talked about this one before. And remember, a mí is optional. You can say me parece que, and then you put any sentence, right? Anything you want to say. Uh, a mí me parece que el helado está muy rico. Like, I think the ice cream is very delicious. So, this a mí me parece que is also like I think. Yeah. El helado está muy rico. The ice cream is very delicious. So these are the three ways you can use to give your opinion, to give an argument, or an opinion. Yeah, both. So this is really important when you're gonna start having conversations, and you're gonna, I don't know, talk about any interesting topic. Uh, you're gonna give your argument, right? So you're gonna give your opinion about things. So finally you're gonna make your points, right? And you're gonna tell people what you think about things. Now once you are in the middle of this conversation talking about anything, giving your arguments, also listening to someone's arguments, then you can agree or disagree with them. Yeah. um, so there are two expressions to agree and disagree with anything. It could be with a person but also with an idea. Yeah. Is estoy de acuerdo. Estoy de acuerdo is I agree. No estoy de acuerdo is I don't, I disagree. Yeah. Um, so estoy de acuerdo con is the same with we use in English. I agree with something. O no estoy de acuerdo con, I disagree with. I agree with, I disagree with. So we use the same con, yeah, preposition to, disagree with something. So let's have a look at these examples here. Estoy de acuerdo contigo. So here we're saying I agree, estoy de acuerdo, right? I agree with you, contigo. Remember that contigo means with you, yeah? Uh, no estoy de acuerdo con lo que dijiste. So here is no estoy de acuerdo, is I don't agree. No estoy de acuerdo con, or I don't agree, no, it's like I disagree con lo que dijiste, with what you said. Remember that lo que is the what that is not a question. So I don't agree with what you said. Yeah. With what. This what is lo que. Yeah. You said dijiste. Past tense. Yeah. I don't agree with what you said. The next one. No estoy de acuerdo con ese plan. So here, we are seeing different ways to disagree or agree with, because we agree here we were agreeing with a person. I agree with you, but here we are not we are disagreeing with what a person said. So it's not a person anymore, and here we are disagreeing with a plan. So no estoy de acuerdo con ese plan. I don't agree with that plan. I disagree with that plan. The thing is, we don't say I disagree. We say I do not agree with it. That's how we say it. That's why I constantly make this mistake. No estoy de acuerdo con algo. Yeah, that will be it. So what is this so important to your speaking skills? Because this is something you're going to use a lot to have conversations. I mean, um, every time you talk about a topic or anything, and you want to say what you think, you want to express what your ideas, or if you want to disagree with something, you can always do it, by applying this. So it's really important that you use it quite often. So let's have a look how we practice this. Easy. So we're gonna do our flashcards as well as our notes and writing, and then we are gonna have some conversations. It's not just one; it's several conversations where you're gonna give your opinion by using these three ways. Yeah, uh, and also you should agree and disagree with arguments or people. Yeah, whatever it is, um, and that will be it. This is something that you have to do in a daily basis, right? It's something every time you talk to people, always try to give your opinion and agree and disagree with others. That's something very important to do. Okay, have fun by doing this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and gracias. Hasta luego.